There's still possible that we might have one more rate cut based on the latest CPI data, and that's probably when NIMs will bottom out. But if I were to kind of look at it beyond December, you'd actually see NIMs starting to inch up, credit growth to happen probably in double digits. That's going to be a great situation. I'd probably call it the Goldilocks moment for banks next year.
Okay, let's see whether that's where the token or the Muhurat trades are coming in today. We've got the market opening right now. And it's, it's really about that token, very auspicious trade that people traditionally put in today. Don't expect any meaningful moves, and it's a very, very somber move, pretty much what we've had at our hands all throughout the year. But the good thing is that it now seems that 26,000 is in sight. We're closing in on that market, least. So 24,920 thereabouts is where we're currently at. I want to check in on banks. What's ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, what some of the PSU banks are up to, because that's where it seems that the puck is going to move next. The PSBs, that is. ICICI Bank, of course, has cooled off after its earnings. It really turned out to be more of a sell on news kind of story. So yeah, the likes of SBI, PNB, let's see what all those spaces are up to and what those stocks are doing. We were talking about the winners from last Samvat to this, and Bajaj Finance clearly is the one which has really come back to the fore, and it's given you almost a return of near 60%, and that's a large cap, the largest NBFC that we're talking about. Maruti, I mean, look how the GST kicker came in for this one, and a large chunk of the move for Maruti has happened only in the last few months. Maruti has also been a standout performer. Interglobe Aviation, pretty much the only one within the listed aviation space and the dominant market share mover as well. Interglobe Aviation, BEL, this year taught us all about the importance and the significance of defense, and BEL clearly was the one strong standout performer with a 46% move. And iShares also came to the fore very, very smartly. That stock put on about almost 43%. The one end of the market where perhaps you had at least reason to crib about was maybe the small caps. And I'm not talking about individual movers there. There you have had good returns, but at an index level, it's the small cap index, which from last Samvat to this has given you negative returns. So here's hoping to better returns from the small cap as a pool. It slipped about almost 2.25% in the year gone by.